In primetime news this evening, family of woman mummified at caregiver's home breaks silence. Caribbean brain drain concerns deepen. And later, youngsters using sexual stimulants. National Council on Drug Abuse raises alarm.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands or online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Coming up, we also have the business news.
But in the meantime, here's Jermaine Brown with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, thank you, Giovanni. The renowned local track and field coach Glenn Mills says two of his top athletes are back on track after suffering some injury concerns at the recent National Senior Championships.
Thank you, Jermaine. And Romaine Robinson is here to give us a preview of what's to come in the weather.
Thanks, Andrea. We have a tropical wave in the center of the Caribbean, and it is expected to be close to us at the end of tomorrow, going into Saturday. We're going to be monitoring things as they progress.
Hopefully that doesn't affect the day-night match at Savannah Park. Cricket fans are looking forward to it. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, here's our feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on Jamaica's reggae boys falling 7 places in the latest FIFA World Rankings?
Now you can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News continues right after this break.